Dhrupesh is a great guy. He's very smart, passionate, and ambitious. These qualities are brought out even more after Meghavi came into his life. She is the perfect balance to his no-nonsense, serious side.
She brings the fun and laughter with her bubbly personality. You guys are a truly perfectly matched couple. With all the time we have gotten to know you, Meghavi, we know that we haven't just gained a sister-in-law, but an actual sister.
You have taken care of us at every turn, and we really appreciate everything that you've done for us. We love you both.
Here's to the newly wedded couple.
We wish you a lifetime of love, laughter, and happiness.
Congratulations.
I think the one word that we can all use to describe Meghavi is growth. Especially for those of us who have known her for the past few years, the one place she said she would never move is Florida. And she's still here. And she's found a new home here as well. So that just shows the amount of growth Meghavi has done in the amount of time she's gotten to know Dhrupesh. And that hopefully will continue to go on. The next two qualities I'm going to kind of combine together, right? We definitely can say she's both vibrant and infectious. We see her smile, and every single person in this room is smiling as they see her. We've seen all of her dances, and every single person in this room has had a smile on their face the entire time. But all in all, we love you so much, right? So if we can put it all together, right? Her maturity, her excitement, her growth, humor, her adventure, and her vibrant and her infectiousness makes her Meghavi. So Meghavi and Dhrupesh, I wish you both nothing but the best, all the love, all the prayer in the world. I'm here with you. Lisa is here with you. Everyone in New York is still with you, and you are always welcome back home. And Dhrupesh, I want to thank you, Alpanti, Yogesh Uncle, Darshil, Pooja, every single one of you for giving her the best home possible. And I truly mean that from the bottom of our heart.
every single person in this room for taking the time from your busy schedules and coming out and celebrating this special occasion with us this weekend. So thank you. And also, looking at the audience here and every single one of you, we truly feel overwhelmed with the love and care that you guys have shown us. So thank you so much.